Yo, you dropped the world.
Ha! Shit. Blood on my mind, shit on your thoughts, nigga. Niggas know what I'm about. Shit on the fork, nigga. Piss on the toilet fork. Niggas know what I'm about. Money's is what I'm about. Tryna run in your house. Niggas know what I'm about. Money bags is in your house. And goddamn, if you don't give it up, I'm in your mouth. I'm in your couch. I'm in the ceiling. I'm trying to drop the rain like a fucking bring the feeling. I'm trying to break a feeling. Trying to just fuck up feelings out of ass. And niggas know what I'm about. And got my little bro here. Niggas know what we about. Richie Rich boys, cash money. You know what we about.
Yo, so I had to drop it up and then I pick it down. I had to drop the world, so I'm gonna drop it now. Hey yo, we start demanding the flow, and if I had to make it rain, then we gonna make it the dough. See the Jordan like the flow, and I pick the world up. And if I can't do it, so I had to throw up. We gone, but I will never let y'all know until y'all make it rain, though. Until we make it extra snow.
I'm so gone. You can see in my eyes, so probably not. I'm so damn high. They surprised, I'm so damn fly. Why lie right before your eyes? Sickening. Why verse him? The wrist work the kitchen. Pots filled up. We got the work in here. You see the cloudy smoke, you know the purple hair. And I get so high that I don't pass it, fam. I chief on the blunt and hog the microphone, cause I'm a microphone. You know it's me. Get up on some other shit, so OG. Kush, not Reggie Bush. And we gonna get it in, motherfucker Bush. You pussy niggas need to just fall back and hush. Try to do something. Look.
Halloween 13, I will let y'all know you hiding in the wood, but it's never time to go. It's the nightmare. I'm in your dream, bro. I got the claws coming out. Ready though. I got the chainsaw ready, sitting ready, go. But if I be with Michael Myers, I'm staying in your house and go. So you running and out, you call the police and I'm out. You got blood on my knife, so man, I had to take that out. See yo, but listen, I'm on the Halloween. Yo, we in that mask getting trick or treat your candy brains. Yo, I'm beating them up. And every girl in the world, my girl like the stripper pearl winning as in blur. Listen, yo. But I don't like the flow. My freestyles ain't free though, but I don't have to spell y'all free codes. I'm like the J. Cole. It's no weedy stuff. It's no drink buff. I hope you miss me stuff.
What if I come through, you missing, bruh? The AK-47 have your ass missing, bruh. I'm not gonna play the camera close, cause the camera shot. And I'm not camera eye, hammer eye. Niggas know how I hammer guys. Fucking I was shot. Niggas know I just fucking amateur. Run the fucking street like an amateur. Damager, I blamature. Then I tear you down like a block and probably build it up, tear it down. Niggas know I tear it down.
Tear it
Cash
down.
is my name, motherfuckers. I don't play around. Salute to my bloods, motherfuckers, right now. Blowing on some sour kush. Niggas see my shirt now.
Yo! Yeah, that.
Look, you don't have to touch nothing.